So, but in our data, we have only 2 race combinations, but in the mock shell, we have a total 6 combinations. So, but in the real time, when you do not have all the combinations, at least you should print that blank, you should print the zeros. But how we can do that one? To do that one, what we have done, we created a dummy data set, and we used the dummy, and we updated the dummy data set with our real data set, so that wherever we have the values, it has been updated. Otherwise, we have any zeros. This is what we have done when it comes to the race table. But this is how we want it up. When you require the white, then you see how we have a white in our data set. We have white uppercase, but they want to have white in properties. And we want to have black or upper American, but here we have only the black. Here we have 2 possibilities. We can use it 2 different ways. We can use it condition, or by creating a format, use a different format, we can apply the format also. So if I use a format, I can use the tables also. So I'll go with the format. Do you know how to create a use different format? How to create a use different format? Anybody? How to create a different format? Rock format procedure. Tell me how to create a rock format procedure. Rock format. Value statement. Value. I want to create character format dollar symbol. Race data I'm writing RC. Now what is the original data that we have? We have a white. Then we have a white. Tell me in the mock shell how we require the white. We have required white in properties. So I go over here. I'm going to specify white in properties. Okay. And when we have Asian in our data, we have Asian uppercase. So how we want to have Asian in the properties. And in the data, we have a black. But how we want to have the black? We want to have a black or African American. That must be in properties. We want to have American Indian or Alaska Native, but in our raw data, we have Native. But how we want to have the Native? American Indian or Alaska Native. This is for American now. Native, I want to have Native Hawaiian or other Pacific Islander. Next one is other. Is equal to other in properties. I have created a user defined format now. So like this format before the start of H4 data set here. Now, this is the format that we have created. Now I want to apply that format for my which variable? Here we have race variable. I want to apply. Do you know how to apply? Now I want to have a permanently change. Race is equal to put off. Habitually I want to apply race variable. What is the format I want to apply? Race dot. Now it is going to apply permanently. It is going to get created. Race 4. When like this semicolon. Okay, you see? We apply the format. Now we have a race data set. But this is how we want it. We want to have white first, black second, Asian third, but we have Asian second there. What do you want me to do? What is the first I want to have? White. Where we have the white? Here we have the white. What is in the second position? Black, Asian. Where we have the black? Then Asian. What is in the fourth position? American Indian and then Native. Where we have American. This is I want to have a 4. This is I want to have a 5. This is I want to have a 6. Given this program, here we are sorting the race, no? And here we are merging with the race. I'm going to sort one more time. Proc sort. Data is equal to race 4. Out is equal to race 4 only. By which variable? What? And by the way, I do not want to have what anymore. After the sorting, proc is equal to what? Now we go to the program. So we are going to have race 4. Can you see? We have a proc order now? Yes, we have an order. Now tell me what we should know. We need to have a race label. How to get the race label? Data. I'm creating a data set called race label. So race is equal to, I'm going to write a race, then square brackets, then all in, then normal brackets, percentage symbol, and then after that I want to have another stop symbol, and then but there is a chance of having here in this dummy data set we have given the race length. How much we have given? 50, and here also I want to give the length 50. Now length of race variable $50. Now select the program executed. We are going to have a length 50. Now both are same. Now data, I want to create a data set called race final, set race label, and then race 4. We are going to have the data, but I want to have initial spaces. If you want to have initial spaces, then now we are going to write by the way where we have the race final, this is here we have. Everything is clear, like I want to S final somewhere, we have A3 final, and we have now race final, and we have a 6 final. I want to create one final data set which is going to have all the data. Now, data, I'm creating a final data set semicolon, set. Which data set I want to have first? A final. Then second data set, 6 final. Target data set, A3 final. And the fourth data set, race final. I'm concatenating all the 4 data sets according to the split model. Now we are going to have a data set called final. In the final data set, I'm going to have all. This is a model, but this is the data set we got. The problem here is, I want to have age distribution axis, gender, ethnicity, race, values. I want to have everything in one column. But here, can you see? In the age variable, age data set we have underscore name underscore. In the sex data set we have this information in the sex variable, ethnicity information present in the ethnic variable, and the race information present in the race variable. But this is not what I want to do. I want to have these things here. I want to have these things here. I want to have sex. I want to have all these values in one way. But we have 4 different variables for 4 different data sets. Now what I want to do, I want to go back into each data set so that I can create a common variable for sex, ethnicity, race, and underscore name underscore. I want to create one common variable. So say for example, I want to create a common variable called order. So in that order, R is equal to underscore name underscore, R is equal to sex, R is equal to ethnicity, ethnic, R is equal to race. So a common variable called order will get created. So you are going to have all the values in the data set. Now here, I want to create a common variable. Tell me how to create a common variable. So for example, what X is equal to, what is the variable that we have here? Race. Okay. Now I'm going back here, ethnicity, and here in the final data set, I'm writing, say for example, what X is equal to ethnic. Tell me what you want me to do here. Now here we have sex. We have sorted like this one. Here itself I will write what X is equal to, what is the data variable from which variable I want to generate this one? From the sex. Again, here we have is final somewhere. Now here I'm writing what X is equal to here, what is the variable that we have? Underscore V underscore. I'm not setting anything. I'm executing the whole program. Now we have final data set one more time. But can you see? We have a common variable. This common variable, there is a problem. We don't have enough length for that common variable. No. What is the length you want me to give? You should give the length every time 50. Then what X is? Dollar. Okay. In all the places we have 50 length. Check. Yes. We got everything. Now, tell me what we should write now. We should write the proc report. In the proc report, which 4 variables we should have? This variable, second variable, this one, and this one. So now I'm going to write the final proc report. Now, proc report I will do one thing. Before that I'm writing of content. So data is equal to final, short, random, cut. So these are the variables that we have in the data set. I'm copying the variables. I'm going to paste it over here. I'm going to keep this in the comment section. Now tell me what I should write now. Proc report. Data is equal to final data set. I want to have a headline. I want to have a skip. I do not want to have no windows. Of course, in SAS 9.4 by default is node of beauty. I want to have a split option. That is equal to I want to have a question mark. I'm using the question mark. Okay. And then what the statement should write? Column statement. But the first one I want to have the what ifs. Now I'm going to put the what ifs first. Then what the second one I want to have? BP004. Then the placebo. So here we have BP004. I'm going to copy that one. I'm going to put in the second position. Then I want to have a placebo. I'm going to put that in the third position. And then I want to have an overall. I'm going to put this one in the fourth position. So the program executed, and this is how we are going to get the report. What now we need to do? The bit is not enough. What do you want me to do for that one? Now I'm going to specify the define statement. What is the first variable? What dx. Now can you tell me in the mock shell do we have any label for the what dx? We do not have any label. So simply what dx. I'm going to specify empty position. Now let's define the next variable, which is a underscore 100 underscore mg underscore bp004. I'm writing that. Forward slash. What is the label they want to have? They have the bp004 only. Now bp004. And again I'm writing the define. So then I want to define the placebo. I'm going to keep the placebo here. But how they want to have? They want to have a proper case. Now I'm writing a placebo. Proper case. And then define. And I want to have overall. I'm going to put the overall here. Forward slash. I want to have overall. Proper case only. I'm writing overall. Now we are going to have labels for all the 4 variables. Okay. Now the labels are okay. But can you see the mock shell under the label what we are here? Then is equal to how many subjects we have in the BP004, how many subjects we have in the placebo, and how many of them there in the overall. Remember how we have generated that one? We have already created macro variables for BP004. I want to use that macro variable in my program, in the define statement. But I want to have BP004 in one line and the number in one line. So we have already used the split option. BP004 then I want to have a question mark. Then within the parentheses, what I want to have n is equal to, remember what the macro variable we have created for BP004? DRT 1. Now I go back to the program. I'm going to specify ampersand DRT1. You want to keep it dots. Now select in the program, execute in the program. Now this is that is okay. But here we have so much space, so I'm not getting everything in one line. So I want to use the proper filter. So now here I'm writing, width option. Width is equal to, maybe I want to have width 50. Since we have enough width and it is not printing everything in one line. So what I want to do, I want the line size is equal to 200. This is how it is, but unfortunately, this is not. If we have so much of space, I want to delete those spaces. If you want to delete those spaces, how we are going to delete that one? Now in the define statement, now here I'm writing, percentage. Can you see? Now those spaces have been deleted. Now I want to print the same labels everywhere. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going going to copy this one. I'm going to put it over here. But here, what the macro I should use? DRT2. And here, what the macro I should use? Ampersand DRT3. Now we use the three macro variables. Now this is okay. N is equal to 3, N is equal to 3, N is equal to 6. But 200 is too much. I guess I can reduce that one to 150 so that I can save everything in one window. But 50 bits is too much, so I'm reducing the 50 to 35. It is also too much. We have reached 155. Yep. Now I want to get the same 20 for other variables also. This is okay. Now, I want to have a line here under the data. If you want to have a line under the data, what we should do? I'm using a compute statement. Compute after underscore base underscore. Now what I want to have line, or maybe I want to have 100 into base size is equal to 50. If base size is enough, yes. But I do not want to have from the starting. I want to have one more line before the starting of the before the variable names. If you want to have a line there in the column statement, keep all the variables within the one parenthesis before the starting within the double quotations. I'm going to specify double underscore symbol. Now we execute the code. So can you see what we got? We got the line on the top of the variable names. But now unfortunately the base size is not enough. I'm going to change the base size to 30. Now I'm going to get everything in one. Clear so far? Now we should do one more thing. You know, if you see in the mock shell, after years, n means activation, median, minimum, I want to have one blank line. After gender, I want to have one blank line. Ethnicity values, I want to have one blank line. And after race, I want to have one blank line. How to get this blank lines? Anybody? How to get this blank line? How to get the blank lines? Anybody? You guys have completed the clock report or not? After you met the chain rule, take. After, tell me, after seeing this report, what is the variable you want to break after the break after? Break after a variable step, yes, a variable method, break after statement. Which variable you want to write in the break after? Which one? This one? 48. But what is the same with the break across? After each group, probably, you know, break after section, break across in the answer that class. Female second row, break male second row. Break across, break second. Same values in the group, break across. What are the same values in the word yes? We have EDS only one thing. We are going to get one blank line of EDS. After n, we are going to get one more blank line. After mean standard deviation, we are going to get one more blank line. Standard deviation is parenthesis solid put on the median key. I can have one blank line only. After mean and max, also you will get the one blank line. But that is not how we want to have. I want to have one blank line after these 5 lines. One blank line after these 3 lines. One blank line after these 3 lines. And one blank line after these 7 lines. So I want to consider these 6 lines as one. How to consider all those 6 lines as one? How to consider all those 6 as one line? Understand my problem here? If you want to have a blank line after the min and max only, so that means this observation, this, and this should have the same value. And then break after is going to give a break after the same that value. So that's why what I'm going to do. Now, can you see where we have concatenated all the 4 data sets here? While I'm concatenating in the set statement after A is underscore final. Now I'm writing, now within the parenthesis, so in is equal to A. What is in is equal to option we do? And where we have seen is in is equal to? When join. When the merge. What is the in is equal to option we do? I told it is going to create an automatic variable in the backend. What the A value will be? The observation involved from A is final. Then A value will be 1. Otherwise A value will be 0. But if A observation A value 1 ఉంటుంది, A observation A value 0 ఉంటుందండి. Which observations are coming from A variable? A is final. Which observations are coming from A is final data set? First to 6. These observations. But these observations A value will be 1, or remaining observations A value will be 0. So in the same way, now I'm creating after the 6 final, n is equal to B. Now for which observations that are coming from the 6 final, so these 3 observations D value will be 0, so D value will be 1, for all other observations D value will be 0. Now in the same way, now I'm writing after the 6 final, n is equal to, I'm writing C. And after the race underscore 5 race final, I'm writing separate n is equal to T. You want I can do one thing, I'm going to write put underscore or underscore. You know what is underscore or underscore will do? It will print all the variables of VDB. In the VDB, we are going to have what variables? We are going to have now underscore, and it is also going to print A, B, C, D. When you give an linear set, and I'm going to get only A, B, C, and D. Now we can understand what values that we are going to have in A, B, C. Understand this one? So that means in final data set, these 5 observations are coming from A is final, these 3 observations are coming from sets final, these 3 are coming from A3 final, and the remaining 7 observations are coming from, phase final. I want to use this variable in break statement, but if I want to have all these ones in one variable, but at the same time, if you have the same one for every observation, then we are going to only break after all the ones, right? But what I want to keep this as a 1, but I want to change this as a 2, this as a 3, this as a 4, so that we are going to have different values for different data sets, so that I can use that variable to break. So for that purpose, I'm going to create one more variable called x. X is equal to, I'm writing like this one, sum of a into 1. Tell me, what is a value is going to be? Whenever we have a 1, it is going to become 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is equal to what? 1. For other values, a value is what? 0. 0 into 1 is equal to 0. Now I'm writing p into 1, so p into 2. In the p, if you have a 2, for observations that are coming from the sex final will be 1. 1 into 2 is equal to what? 2. Otherwise, 0 into 2 is equal to 0. Now I'm writing c into 3, comma, p into 4. Now I want to check this variable also. Not in the PDB, I want to check this variable. Now I'm writing the program. Go to the top window. Can you see what the variable that we have created now? We have x variable. Can you see how we have an x variable? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to use this x variable for break statement. So if you want to use x in the break statement, now where we should have this variable now? We should have this variable in the column statement here. Now since I'm writing there, now I should write the define statement, x variable, and if you want to use any variable in the break statement, that variable must be present in which option? Either the root or not. Now, but I do not want to have that in the print. I'm going to use no print. So now the x variable is going to be useful for the grouping, and it is not going to get printed. And now I'm writing a break after which variable? X variable. Then what I should write now? I'm going to use the option. Now select the program into the program. Now if I go to output window, can you see? We have one blank line after the is data set, one blank line after sex, one blank line after ethnicity. Now we have one blank line after base variable. Understand this, everybody? ఇక్కడ ఒక ఏజ్ కి కరెన్సీస్ రావట్లేదు అండ్ గో బ్యాక్ టు ఏజ్ ఫైనల్ కాకుండా ఇక్కడ ఏం చేద్దామంటే టెన్త్ ఏమేమి అండర్స్కోర్ డాలర్ ఇక్కడ క్లిక్ చేద్దాము. సో యూఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు హావ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. నౌ వి ఆర్ గెటింగ్ ఆన్సర్స్. Yes, so far everybody. Now we have our report is ready. Now I want to apply. What we need to apply now? We need to apply the titles and footnotes. I want to have first title, pick pharmaceutical company on the left side. On the right side, I want to have it date. So now I want to apply the titles. So I'm going back to the code. Now here, I'm writing the title. So I want to present the titles. I wanted the first title 1. But the second one, pick pharmaceutical company on the left side. On the right side, I want to have it date. So in the same title, I want to have both. Now here I'm writing date. You know any macro variable to get the date? Ampersand? Ampersand is date. But I want to have this tag on the left side. Before that, this I'm writing justification is equal to left. And this one I want to have on the right side. Justification is equal to R. Now the same title, one title, this part is going to be on the left side. This part is going to be on the right side. You see, this is on the left side, this is on the right side. Now I want to have the second title. Here I want to have a BP004-002, and here I want to have a program name. Tell me how we can write that one now. Now I'm going to write the title to justification is equal to left side. What I want to have, and by the way, BP0304-0. Now justification is equal to right side. What I want to have. Now before this, what I want to do, I want to create a percentage letter. Now I'm writing percentage letter. BRGM is equal to what is this one? PM. Okay. Now what do I do? Now I'm going to specify where we have the title. Now here I'm writing what is the title I want to have? Program. Ampersand BRGM dot. I'm writing one more dot. What is this one? That's right. PM dot SAS. 2 dots in between set. Tell me why we have kept the 2 dots. 1 dot to separate the macro variable from the remaining text, and but we should have PM dot SAS. So that's why I'm using a second dot. Now we want to have a part title. Base with x of y. I can see it is equal to right. Sorry, output chapter 20 తర్వాత నేను చూపిస్తాను macro code base on off. ఇది ఒక కాన్సెప్ట్ ఉంటుంది. Now we require the fourth title 14,14.1.2.1 safety demographics and basic characteristics. I want to have that title in the center. But simply title justification is equal to in the center. What is that table? 14.1.2.1 subject demographics and basic characteristics. this listing. Report 1, I want to have on the left side, justification is equal to left. For instance, listing 16.2.4.1, 16.2.4.2. Justification is equal to left. And what that I want to have? Percentages are based on the number of subjects in the population. Then we need to have a superfix. I will tell you how to get the superfix now, sir. For the time I am keeping, the reverse of symbol. Again, what we need to do? Note the justification is equal to left. Note SG is equal to standard deviation. Min is equal to minimum, max is equal to max. We got everything. Now I want to submit this report in Word document. So if you want to submit Word document, what do you do? You should write a ODS concept. So before the starting of this one, I'm writing ODS, RTF, I is equal to, I want to export this one onto my desktop. I go to any one file, shift right click, copy as path, go to the program. I will do this one. First of all, I'll get a file reference, file name. I want to have get the theme, then the path. But how I want to have it as a name. Theme.rtf. The ODS RTF file is equal to theme. So at the end of the program, what we should write? ODS RTF. I tell you in tomorrow's class how to get this everything in one our default RTF file and how to get this one in tomorrow's class. But I should not have those lines, but I tell you how to avoid those lines in tomorrow's class.
Sir, in that n equals to 3, only one digit is there, sir. In the mark we have given two decimals, right? So
Yes.
0, 2.
They're right.
Yes, sir.
In such scenario, we need to convert that into character. That also we need to present in character. Apart from that, do you have any other issues?
Stay, sir.
I'll show you in next class how to get this pagination, how to resolve this reverse optical superfix here, and we need to avoid these lines. Yeah, that's what we should do. Yeah, when you submit this report, now what you're going to do, they need to have reference. Do you know how many subjects we have in DBW04? 3. How many of them in the report? 3. Who are they? Who are they? I want to have a proof. And when you report submit, and you submitted this report, this table, as some statistical summary. But easy to do. If you want to check what should I do, you should go back to the data set, isn't it? I want to know who are the 3 subjects in DBW04, who are there like the 3 members in the principal, and who are the 6 members in the overall. But instead of going into that data set, now what I'm going to do, along with this analysis report, I'm going to submit the data set also as a report. Whatever the data set that I use to generate this table, which data set that I use? ADSL. Did we use all the variables in ADSL? No. We have used a few variables. Now, whatever the variable that I use to generate this table, by using that variables of ADSL, I'm going to generate one more report. In that report, you will not have any analysis. It is going to be just a listing of all the subjects, all the involved in this analysis. Now that is called a listing. That means along with this analysis table, what we need to submit, we also submit the listing. So that listing is this one. Can you see this one? What we have here? The reference, the listing 16.2.4.1. So whenever they have it out, like if they want to cross check this analysis report, now what we are going to do, we are going to submit it. We are going to submit this one, this listing along with this, and the listing will tell them we are going to attach a listing also. So the listing would be useful as a reference. So what is the difference between a table and a listing? A table is going to have analysis information, structure analysis, but a listing is going to have just the listing of the data set. What we have used for this table. Understand this one? So in tomorrow's class, we'll see what is the listing, how to generate that listing, and then what on the cosmetics, we call that the cosmetics in the real time. What do you mean the cosmetics? Spaces, parentheses, lines, all these are called cosmetics. We'll see those cosmetics in tomorrow's class. Understand this one?
Yes, sir.
Now I'm going to share this code up to this point. Please practice this one. If you practice this one, as I said, 80% the table is the code as well. 80% any table. Understand this one? Okay. Wait, it is submitting which document?